This strategy has gotten over 55k views and 126 comments since I published it on YouTube. With some of the traders saying that I have changed their life with this strategy, some have also said that I am a genius by introducing this strategy. So what is this strategy? We call it hedging, and there are a lot of ways to hedge. Hi, it's Pascal here, a crypto analyst, day trader, and investor for the past 5 years, and a Google certified data analyst. Because of all these questions, response, and feedback, I have decided to create this course. Most traders don't even know what hedging is. First of all, hedging on Binance futures or other crypto exchanges or crypto future exchanges allows traders to simultaneously hold both long position and short position on the same trading pair in the same account and at the same time. Just like what you're seeing here, I'm holding BTC Perpetua for the same trading pair at the same time for the same trading account, making almost the same profit and loss. Hi trader, welcome back. On Binance, to set your hedge mode, you have to click on the futures and then click on USDT futures. By default, your one-way mode would look like something like this. The easiest way to know that you're not on a hedge mode is when you don't have a buy button for the short position. Here we only have buy long and then sell short or close long. To switch or set the hedge mode, you have to click on the setting here, then click on position mode, then click on hedge mode. Close this and close the position. As easy as that. Now you see I have a button to open long and open short. So that is how to set the hedge mode on your desktop. Next, I'll be showing you how to set the hedge mode on your mobile phone. This is how the one-way mode looks on the mobile phone. To turn on the hedge mode on your mobile phone, click on the triple dots here and then click on preference. Go to position mode. Click on hedge mode. As easy as that. We have switched from one-way mode to hedge mode. Now you could see I could open long here and open short here simultaneously at the same time. Before I continue to showing you how to open a hedge position, first of all, what is hedging? Hedging on Binance futures or other crypto exchanges or crypto future exchanges allows traders to simultaneously hold both long position and short position on the same trading pair in the same account and at the same time. Just like what you're seeing here, I'm holding BTC Perpetua for the same trading pair at the same time for the same trading account, making almost the same profit and loss, though my profit is greater here. Whatever I'm teaching you here today is applicable to both Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Coinbase, and even on Forex. They are the same principles. The only difference might be just the trading fee. To hedge a trade or open a hedge trade on your mobile phone, all you have to do is get the coin. Here we'll be using Pepper, and then enter any amount. Let me just be more specific. Here I'll be buying 10,000 pieces of this on long, the market price, and 10,000 pieces of this on short. And then you could say we now have these two trades open simultaneously. On a careful examination here, you would notice that my liquidation is at 0.9971, which is very, very further away from the entry point of 0.0087. In fact, to blow your mind, Pepper has never reached 0.1 cents ever. Talk more of 0.9. To open a position on your desktop, all you have to do is enter the amount you want to open. Here, let's say we are going for SHIB, 10,000 pieces of this coin, and then click on open. It depends on you. You could choose limit order or market order. For this tutorial, I'll be going for the market order. Usually, I don't encourage anyone to open a position with the market order, and then click on open. Same thing, 10,000 pieces of these. Open short. Down here you could see we already have our SHIB open simultaneously. What are the benefits of this? Our liquidation here is 2.3475. SHIB in all its lifetime has never gone all the way to even 0.1 cent compared to $2. This might take even 50 years to get to this point. So that is one of the advantages of hedging. Usually, most people think that the only advantage of hedging is to mitigate risk, or maybe when you are losing. Nah, there are so many advantages of hedging. The very first thing that drove me into studying this strategy is to cancel out or recover a losing trade. Every trader has a losing moment, but how you handle it makes you more professional than others. Later in this lecture, I'll be showing you how to cancel out or recover a losing trade through hedging. And then it helps us to reduce our liquidation level, especially if you are going for a long-term investment that you feel like maybe, yeah, this is the starting point for the crypto or any asset. But at the current moment, if anything goes wrong or there's a high volatility, you might get liquidated. So we use hedging to reduce our liquidation level. Then they help us to confirm the direction of trend. Yes, hedging can help you confirm whether this trend is okay to short or to long. I will show you all this in our different hedging strategies. Then they also help us to lock profit or loss. You might decide you don't want to close a trade and you just lock your profit or just lock your loss. So they also help us to invest in crypto futures. I have a strategy here, very mind-blowing strategy here, which I call the hedge crypto futures investment strategy. Here, I'll be teaching you how to hold a position on hedge mode from one bull market to the other bear market and how to profit from it. Then they help us to trade ranging market. This is one of the best times to use hedge mode because in the ranging market, most traders lose money, lose a lot of money, more than even the bull or bear market. Then they can't even decide where the market is and the volatility would always be high. And also, they help us to trade volatile cryptos or altcoins. When you hedge, you are more likely not to get into trouble of losing your capital, especially in a top gainer crypto. They also help us to get what we call near zero loss, meaning if you can hedge properly, the chances of you losing or having losing trades are lesser. Also, they give us peace of mind. This is the most beautiful thing. Think about it. Let's say I made a mistake and took a position, but this position is neither on a loss or on a profit. But my prediction was that this should be on profit, but the market turned out to be on loss. But because I'm hedging, I'm neither on a loss or on a profit. So it gives us peace of mind, knowing that we can always take the same amount of capital, just depending on the trading fee. And with hedging, you don't need complexity. You don't need to, this is the best entry, this is the sniper entry. With hedging mode, we don't need complex technical analysis. Just do it. And the most important thing, capital insurance. If you hedge a position now, just like what I'm doing now, I'm hedging BTC here. At any moment, I can close these trades and incur the lowest loss or zero loss, except the trading fee. And then I can decide to withdraw my capital and go and do anything with it. So with hedging, if you're not sure of the market, you can just hedge. Even if the market crashes now, whatever happens to the crypto, because you are hedging and you are hedging in such a way that, remember, these are different strategies. You are hedging in such a way that you can withdraw your capital. There's a hedging that you can't withdraw your capital though. I will teach you guys all this in our subsequent lesson. Let me give you a real life example of how to use hedge mode before we get into the different application of hedging. Let's say we longed 1000 BNB at $250 and the price moved to $240. This is incurring a total loss of $2,000. For us to cancel out this $2,000 loss by hedging, we need to buy a short trade with a total size of coin higher in amount more than the previous open position. For example, the previous position here, which is long, had a total amount of coin of 1000 BNB at 250. The new position should have at least twice the size of the previous position. In our new position, we need to open a short of 2000 BNB at the 240 price or any current market price. This is what our new position would look like. This is what happens. Our new position here, because we opened a position at the $240, when it moves to 220, our profit will be $8,000. Because we didn't close our old position too, our old position would also move to that the same 220, but we incur a total loss of 6,000. This will now give us a total gain of 2,000. By this, we already cancelled out our loss here. I'm going to teach you guys how to use all these strategies later on. All you have to do now is just to join our trading community. Thank you, trader. See you in the next lesson.